Susinindu wheat flour musuvi, doi katuni vi hatena, lower priyatama pan pizza. Pitting ranwan bahata harima crunchy, Atulin harima soft. Pizza Hut.
Strong winds experienced in Kurunegala damaged nearly 50 houses. Assistant Director of the Disaster Management Centre Pradeep Kodipli said that 2 houses were completely destroyed. Strong winds destroyed houses and property in 4 Gramanidara divisions in the Kurunegala district. The majority of the damages were caused at the Boyagane, Ogodapola, Madithiyavala and Ganegedara Grammar Seva areas.
We felt
the wind all of a sudden and we witnessed something similar to fog inside our house. There was water everywhere. My daughter complained that she could not breathe, so we went into the room. When I came outside, I saw that the roof had collapsed.
Winds ravaged the Kotapola and Ganegedara areas. There was no loss of life or damage to property in other areas. The electricity supply was disrupted because a transformer broke down. The Disaster Management Centre said that all necessary measures are being taken with the assistance of the divisional secretariats regarding the destruction caused. Meanwhile, a person died after being struck by lightning in the Ahalagas Handia area in Siambalandua. The deceased individual has been identified as R.A. Piyadasa, who was a resident of the Valley Mandayaya area in Siambalandua. Our reporter said that the 45-year-old father of 2 was struck by lightning while he was at a farm. Our correspondent also said that since there is insufficient space in the victim's house, the body of the victim was placed in a neighboring house.